Hey, what's up everybody? Sol here and welcome to a new video. Draego was busy, so I am taking over for him today. I am his new assistant. So yes, in this video, I'm going to tell you about what is a bootloader in an Android phone. If you enjoy this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Perfect. Let's dive deeper into Android bootloaders, since they're a key part of how your phone starts up and what you can or can't modify on it. What the bootloader does in an Android phone. When you power on your Android phone, the bootloader is the first program that runs. It performs a few critical tasks. 1. Hardware check. Initializes the CPU, RAM, and storage so the phone can function. 2. Security verification. Checks the integrity and authenticity of the Android OS using digital signatures. If the OS is tampered with or not signed by the manufacturer, the bootloader can refuse to boot it to prevent malware or unauthorized changes. 3. Decides what to boot. Normal boot loads Android OS system partition. Recovery mode loads recovery tools used for updates or repairs. Fast boot download mode loads a minimal environment for flashing firmware. Locked versus unlocked bootloaders. All Android phones come with a locked bootloader by default. Locked bootloader only boots OS images signed by the manufacturer. Protects the system from unauthorized changes. Keeps features like Widevine L1, HD streaming, and banking apps working. Prevents flashing custom ROMs or kernels. Unlocked bootloader allows you to flash custom ROMs, root your phone, or install custom recoveries like TWRP, but also voids warranty on many devices, disables security features, some banking and DRM apps may stop working, wipes all your data upon unlocking, can make the device more vulnerable if used carelessly. Common bootloader modes. Android bootloaders can be accessed through special modes. Mode, purpose, access key combo varies by brand. Varies brand. Fast boot mode. Used to flash firmware, recovery, or kernels. Usually power plus volume down recovery mode. Used to reset phone, apply updates, or fix boot loops. Usually power volume up. Download mode Samsung. Samsung's flashing interface, Odin. Power volume down home or similar. Unlocking a bootloader. Each brand handles this differently. Brand, unlock method. Google Pixel, OnePlus, Motorola. Enable OEM unlocking in developer options. Use Fastboot OEM Unlock. Xiaomi. Must request unlock permission via My Unlock tool. Samsung, limited. Mostly not unlockable on carrier models. Realme, Oppo, Vivo. Usually restricted. Needs special unlock APK or service. Huawei. Bootloader unlocking was officially stopped on newer models. When you run the unlock command, the bootloader erases all data and marks the phone as unlocked.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong.